भक्तवृंद समन्वितं श्री चैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे श्रीराधिका चरणद्वयम् श्री गोपीजन समायुक्तं वृंदावनो मनोहरम् श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to all glories to assembled devotees. Today we have a few questions. Sorry, because just now power cut. Today is 47 degree power cut. You cannot imagine that what is going on. It's not easy to survive here in Vrindavan under the Indian government law. Questions. By Isabel from France. Dandavat Pranam Maharaj, thank you for your mercy. I have two questions. You said several times that Guru should not allow feet cleaning, feet washing, feet bathing. But we have seen that Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj allowed his disciple to do so. Is it because as an Acharya he wanted to teach the Western people about proper Vedic tradition? You may take it in that manner. But I have seen Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. I am not able to see, but I heard from my Gurudev, also my spiritual master, as well as all the Guru Varga, they also not allowed the disciple to wash their feet. Maybe he is more merciful for Western people, therefore he did so. I don't know behind what history is there. Then second question, it seems that the Lord gives so many difficulties and obstacles to his pure devotee like Swami Maharaj and Bhaktivedanta Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, who very often had health issues, causing trouble in his service mission. Why is it so? There is so many reasons. First of all, body is material. Material body always works according to material nature. But Shastra says that Vaishnava sometime, although they are they are feeling sick, but inside they are happy. Jato dakho Vaishnaver Vyavahara Dukkho, the code in from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Jato dakho means how many you see that Vaishnavas is suffering. Jato dakho Vaishnaver Vyavahara Dukkho. Nishchay janiyataha paramananda sukha. Definitely they are feeling happiness inside, eternally happy inside. Anyway, that I know, Vaishnava that manifests sometime, manifesting pastime to engage ourselves to serve him, also testing our faith. When he becomes sick, what is your mood about service? It's so and so. Like my spiritual master I saw when he was manifesting samadhi first time, means not speaking with anyone. But once it Godfather Bhakti Kumar Santa Goswami Maharaj arrived to see him in his room where he is lying on the hospital bed. And in an apartment we make his hospital bed. That bed he was lying. So as soon as we say that your Godfather Santa Maharaj came, he opened his eyes and he also folded his palm and telling us to arrange a chair and prasad. Only that much he says, and then again he put it in samadhi stage. He just back to samadhi stage. So outwardly we may see they are suffering with health issue. But whatever Chaitanya Charitamrita says, that I have seen, it is true with that pastimes. My spiritual master, when he, আজকে আসে না ওরা মানে কোম্পানির লোক আসে না আমাকে বললো আসবে so anyway, so this is the reason I am just telling you. So whatever Chaitanya Charitamrita explained, Jato dakho Vaishnave Vyavahara Dukkho Nishchay janiyataha paramananda sukha. Definitely have to know that it is the happiness of Vaishnava, transcendental happiness of Vaishnava. So, question by Manini Devi from Mirpur. Dear Maharaj, it is said that a devotee should not be eager for recognition and self-glories. However, sometimes it seems that receiving some encouragement is helpful in the performance of one's seva. Please clarify. You know, the spiritual service is not based on the recognition. Someone recognizes, then I will feel enthusiasm. It is one inspiration. If someone recognizing, you know, the spiritually, we know there is an explanation that Paro Sabhava Karamoni na Gahet na Prasamsay. Whatever people have, nature, people have quality, we should not glorify and also criticize, both. This is actually explained by Shastra. Why? If you need to appreciate, you can do it behind him. To appreciate him, he may be puffed up, feel you are encouraging is false ego. And false ego take him away from devotion. Therefore Shastra say. So anyway, better to follow a spontaneous loving relation or establish spontaneous loving service. Better to establish that, and with such loving manner to continue our service. That is the best way. Someone inspiring, someone encouraging, and then I feel to render some service. It may work for a few days. After that again down. But spontaneous loving relation service always eternal. That we have to establish. Looks like it's our solar light not working. Actually, everybody mechanic. Is putting here, putting there, and they're destroying everything. Seva, Prema, Vilas. Now we can come to this. Come to continue the topics what we are talking, what we are discussing last several weeks. This is called Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila Ashtam Parichya. Seva, Prema, Vilas. My God, what happened? Seva, Prema, Vilas বিবর্ত এক হয়, তাহা শুনি তোমার সয় কি না হয়. I think I explained yesterday like that. This text I explained. Yeah. Seva, Prema, Vilas বিবর্ত এক হয়. Prema Vilas means Sambhog. Sambhog means Sambhog means enjoyment. But enjoyment with in the eye of which is approved in the eye of society. And Vipralambha, it's called separation. I think I explained yesterday, right? About this. Huh? Anyway, I can read again. Mahaprabhu, he says, Prabhu kahe eo hoy aage kaho aar, Rai kahe iha boye buddhi goti nahi aar. I don't have any of my intelligence to go ahead. So then say, Seva, Prema, Vilas বিবর্ত এক হয় means Ramananda says, no? There's Prema, Vilas বিবর্ত বলিয়া একটি ভাব আছে. That is a ভাব. Prema, Vilas বিবর্ত. Prema, Vilas, this is called Sambhog. Sambhog means enjoyment, and Vivarta is called Vipralambha. This both is there. তাহা বলিতেছি, ইয়া শুনিয়া তোমার সুখ হয় কিনা বলিতে পারি না. I don't know you will be happy to hear this about Prema, Vilas, Vivarta. Sambhog and Vipralambha. I don't know about Tatparja means তাৎপর্য এই যে এ পর্যন্ত আমি প্রেম বিলাসের স্বরূপ বর্ণন করিলাম। Significant is this, I just, whatever I explained, I just explained about Prema Bilas, Sambhog, enjoyment, happiness, whatever, to be with friend, to be with associates, so whatever. That এখানে বন্ধ করেছে নাকি? So much hot. দেখো এখানে দেওয়া আছে কিনা কার্ডটা? আজকে কি এসছিল? তুমি বললে একটু করে আসবে, ফোন করে দেখো। ফোন করেছিলে? তা তো হয়ে গেছে। হ্যাঁ, ঘুমাতে তারপরে কি করে কথা বলা উচিত না এখানে, কিন্তু পরিস্থিতি আমার কি এত সব খেয়াল আশ্রয় আছে। বিচ্ছেদের নামই বিপ্রলম্ব। বিপ্রলম্ব ব্যতীত সম্ভোগের পুষ্টি হয় না। উইদাউট সেপারেশন there is no feeling of enjoyment. That I explained yesterday, right? তাহাই প্রেমবিলাসে বিবর্ত অর্থাৎ বিচ্ছেদকালে অধীরূঢ় ভাববশত সম্ভোগ ভাবে সম্ভোগ স্মৃতি। অধীরূঢ় ভাব বিচ্ছেদকালে, whatever বিচ্ছেদ means separation time, whatever mood appear, how and when I will meet, when I meet, what I will do, this ভাব অধীরূঢ় ভাব। মানে pre-plan how will greet my beloved. Right? That's Sambhog Purti. Even the Vichet Karma, during the separation, if we just think about who greet it, that is also, in that way we can remember more. Like Kunti Devi, when Krishna leaving Hastinapur after Kurukshetra battlefield, Krishna says, now I have to go back because already Dharmarajya means religiosity established in this kingdom, so I have to go back. Then Kunti Devi, what she said? Said, Krishna, please give us more distress. And in the time of distress, we can remember you always. That is the prayer of devotees. Because devotee, when they are in trouble, they are always remembering Lord. Real devotee. They are, even sometime, you can see, devotee are blaming, accusing Lord, why you do so? Still he is thinking about Lord. In opposite manner, not loving manner, but looks like if real love is there, this is called Salki mood, when they are accusing Lord. Anyway, if you just think about Lord, you can see devotee always think about Lord when they are in distressful position. More, think about Lord more when they are in distressful position. That I saw many devotees. Also I have experience about it. Raya Ramananda Nijakrito oi Rosher ekti Sangeet, that I will explain yesterday. As soon as Raya Ramananda, the Sangeet means singing a song which is connected with this Vipralam Sambhog or Bilas. Sambhog or Vipralambho, Prima Bilas Vivarto. Then Mahaprabhu, because Mahaprabhu put his hand towards Radha Ramananda's mouth just to stop, not to do that. Because, this he remembered, he's going to faint. If he's continuing it, with his mood appear, he's going to faint. Stop it. Gete বিচ্ছেদ কালে শ্রীমতী রুক্তি সুতরাং বিপ্রলম্ব দশা সম্ভব পূর্তি। Gete বিচ্ছেদ কালে শ্রীমতী রুক্তি means during the time of separation, Radharani, I think that same sloka, Vidino Dayadranath, that sloka. Anyway, let me see what Srila Prabhupada explained. 3 pages. Small writings, 3 pages, too big. Anyway. ব্যতীত ভাবনাবর্ত যশ্চমৎকারো ভারতু হৃদি সত্যজ্জলে বাঢ়ং সদতেশ রসোমতঃ। ব্যতীত ভাবনাবর্ত, ব্যতীত instead of ব্যতীত means instead. Bhavanavarta. Bhavanavarta means thinking. Just chamatkaro bharatu. Let me read what Prabhupada explained about the sloka. Instead of my explanation, the better explanation Prabhupada is giving. বিশুদ্ধ সত্যের উজ্জ্বলতাময় চিত্তের রস আস্বাদিত হয়। উহা বাহ্য জগৎ বা অন্তর্জগতের স্থূল সূক্ষ্ম উপাধিযুক্ত দেহ ও মনের আস্বাদনযোগ্য ব্যাপার নহে। মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি বিশুদ্ধ সত্য মানে একদম পিওর। There's no doubt at all. No material attachment, no material recognition, tendency. Nothing is there. Ujjalatamay, bright. Vishuddha, pure, Sattva means spirit. Sattva. Shuddha Bhakta. Ujjalatamay, chittei rosh. His mind, heart, always thinking that mellow. Which mellow he realizing inside. Wa bajya jagat, it is impossible. Wa bajya jagat ba antar jagater স্থূল সূক্ষ্ম উপাধিযুক্ত দেহ বা মনের is a bajya jagat outwardly, antajagat internally. Sthula. Sthul means actually body, right? Body is, material body is bajya, outwardly and internally. Shushma padiyukta deho ba moner asadanjogyo byapar noy. It's not possible to relish outside and inside. Like material body, if you are feeling like really if you feel faint, and you become faint. If you faint, people may think you are crazy, or you have history or disease, whatever, or you have some epilepsy, such type of things. Modern science, they believe like that. But modern science, therefore, explain, bajya jagat, antar jagat, is not possible to realize. So, the upadiyukta deho ba moner atma ashadanjogyo noy, byapar noy. It's not there. They are not able to test it. The body is outside or inside. They are not able to test it. What is the actual meaning of this? Says Vishuddha Satya Ujjalata. Vishuddha Satya means transcendental spirit. There is no doubt at all, attachment at all. Just spiritual realization. It is not able to share with anyone. Sometimes we can see people are sharing, showing Mahaprabhu or Krishna. I have seen in Navadvip. There is a devotee, I don't like to say the name. Gadadhar, crying and faint. Then again he get up. So looks like, outwardly looks like, it's like pretending, it's not real feeling. And then I saw he has wife. He has 3 wives. And then I spoke with his wife. His wife speaking negative about him. She is not happy. Then I'm totally confused. Anyway, so there is this English expression, empty vessel sounds much. Empty vessel sounds much. I think you know that meaning. So, look, the Prabhupada explanation. Gauno sthula sukha jagate je asmita bhas lokhita hoy ta anatma buddhi o mono shabdo vachya. Gauno, secondary. Sthulo, this sky, materially. Shushma, very tiny. This universe, Jagat means universe. So, Gauna Stula Suksha Jagat. In this material world, you can see there is what is said? The Ashmita Bhav Lokhita. Ashmita means that you can see someone crying. Just for so crying. There's so many Babaji I saw. They're speaking, then after that they are getting some running nose, full of tears, and then he faint. Then again he is talking about something. He is blaspheming to Gaudiya Math, blaspheming to other devotees. Which, real, who has really realized soul, they never ever blaspheme to any devotees. Realized soul, they never ever blaspheme to any devotees. We never saw the 6th Goswami blaspheming to anybody. Is there anybody see? Real devotee, 6 Goswami blaspheming amongst each other or blaspheming to others. Others, they may think about they are bad, but they are rectifying them. Like Ashtavakra Rishi, means Khanja Vipra. One Brahmin has his body become crippled, unable to walk properly. While he was walking, Rupa Goswami was laughing, but not to see him. Rupa Goswami laughing because of in his inner feeling, he saw one very beautiful pastime, Radharani hanging one branch of flower tree, and Krishna had see. Actually, this is manifested by Krishna. Krishna was on the branch of tree. The branch was bowed down. Radharani pick up the flower, catching one hand the branch of the tree and pick up the flower. All of a sudden, Krishna moved from that branch of the tree. Then branch was go up, Radharani hanging, and she was shouting in the name of Krishna. Krishna smiling. That pastimes in his eye, in his heart, Rupa Goswami realizing and laughing. But Khanja Vipro, the Brahmin, crippled Brahmin there, he was thinking, because of my body's structure, he is laughing. So he felt really bad and offended, we can say offended. As soon as he felt offended, then what happened? Whatever his pastimes coming in his heart, everything stopped. Why? The nature of pure devotee, they suppose by any action, knowingly, unknowingly, if pure devotee feel offended by our activities, maybe Vasudeva Prabhu pure devotee, Pitambar pure devotee. So one activity is the Vasudeva Prabhu Pitambar heart feel offended. So Vasudeva Prabhu's all the realization will stop. Then Vasudeva Prabhu should think about why this thing happened. He was searching. Then Vasudeva Prabhu went to senior devotee. Like Rupa Goswami went to senior devotee Sanatana Goswami. Sanatana Goswami explaining maybe a symptom may happen through our Vaishnava offense. So better you can arrange on Vaishnava Seva. You can arrange on Vaishnava service. Means Kirtan and then Prasadam. Vaishnava like good prasad. Good prasad. Kheer, Vrindavan Vaishnava. Pakka prasad. Pakka means milk product, right? And sweet. Kachori. I like that. But what to do? My stomach is not digesting, not able to digest. Anyway, so he arranged everything. Still is not reviving any that pastimes, such type of pastime, not feeling. Then again, Rupa Goswami came to Sanatana Goswami. Did he invite everyone? Yes. Everyone came? Yes. Think about who not coming. Then he realized that Vipro, crippled Brahmin, Khanja Vipro not coming. Go there. Ask him. Then he explained, how can I go with them? You are laughing to see my physical structure. That means you are hating me. And when? Then he explained the Venu. On that day you are laughing. Then Rupa Goswami remember, from that day everything stopped. How? I was not laughing to see you. I was laughing to that. Then he explained, Nature of Vaishnava always simple. If you say anything to Vaishnava, they always excuse. So in that way, Rupa Goswami's all the inner feeling revive. So, therefore, Shuddha Sattva, they never ever criticize anyone. When people is criticizing others, when he has, like if you wear a red glass, then you can see all red. When person is criticizing to others, you have to know he has such tendency inside, therefore he is doing so. But real Vaishnavas, they are always thinking positive. This person is telling me, I am not yet committing such type of things, but why he is telling so? Maybe Lord sent him to me, which I am going to commit such sinful activities or offensive activity going to do in future. So Lord sent that this devotee to protect me. They become happy. So whenever you can see devotee are criticizing others, then you have to know he is not the Shuddha Sattva, not pure. Pure devotee always glorify. Even little bit quality we have, that he describing only, not exaggerating something. Whatever actual quality we have, good quality, he will describe that much only, pure devotee, nature of pure devotee. So therefore, when I can tell you that whenever we see in temple blaspheming going on, you have to know lack of loving service. It is the lack of loving service attitude they are doing so. Pure loving service will not bring such type of understanding in our consciousness. Always we have to look how to help people, how to be well-wisher to all living beings, because real sadhu's nature like this. Srihido sarbodehinam. Srihid means well-wisher to all living beings. Sarbodehi means all living beings. That is the real sadhu's nature. So let me see. This is long explanation and very ornamental Bengali language. Even it is very difficult for me to understand. But anyway, by the grace of Prabhupada, I will try. I am trying. Gauno sthulo sukha jagati je ashmita ভাস লক্ষিত এটা অনাত্ম বুদ্ধি ও মন শব্দবাচ্য. Buddhi means intelligence, mon means mind, that sabdo means sound, coming from that material intelligence. Whatever asmita, whatever negativity, whatever pretend, which is not true, was a secondary, some exaggeration. The sthulo shukha jagat, this sthulo, this material, shukshma means tiny, jagat means universe, ashmita such mood. Lakshita means symptom. The symptom, exaggeration, pretending, like I'm a great devotee, mood like this, Srila Prabhupada. But Srila Prabhupada got bothered? Useless. So God Himself, He says, if you love me, love my dog first. God Himself says, if you love me, love my dog first. Who is dog? Dog is devotee of God, devotee of the Lord. Therefore, first of all, we should establish our faith on Guru Vaishnava. If you are not able to only Krishna, then problem will come. Pretending is very dirty. It's very difficult to realize, but if you have purity, Lord in one point, He will allow you to understand this person is a fraud. Don't associate with that person. When you're pretending like a great devotee, chanting, I think she can understand what I'm talking about. She love one devotee. She gave everything, all facilities she afford. But in reality, we can see she is in trouble. So therefore, always you have to remember, Paro Svabhava Karmani na gahet na prasamsai. We should not glorify, we should not criticize. Just give due respect. And if you look good quality, tell behind him. Not important. Otherwise, get puffed up, then whatever progress is down. So nowadays Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga means, Kali means age of hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Even I am also a hypocrite. I am sitting here saying that I am sannyasis. I have so much knowledge, but I don't have any knowledge. You can see how I am reading. Not like reading and giving very nice glories. In a glorifying class, I am not able to do. The reading and telling you. So anyway, so Prabhupada says, Gauno sthulo sukha jagote jo ashmita bhas lokhito hoy, taha anatmo buddhi, atma buddhi, anatmo, which is not coming from our super soul. Buddhi is a sukshma, the subtle body, mon, buddhi, ahankar, mind, intelligence and false ego, always moving us. Our challenge to remove that. In order to reach God, Lord Supreme Lord abode, we should not go with such tendency, dirty mind, dirty intelligence and dirty false ego. Solely Anatma means which is not at touch, but with soul, like Mon Buddhi, always moving. Whenever we have such dirty things, material intelligence, material mind, always thinking how to increase material glories, then we have to come to material world, not going back to spiritual abode. The association of great Vaishnavas, pure devotee, then we are able to go back to spiritual abode. Therefore we are chanting. Therefore, you can see Bhaktivinoda Thakur describing that Naam Sankirtana Hai Sarvanarthanas. All type of unwanted mundane desire will destroy through Naam Sankirtan. Sarvo Shubhodaya Krishna Premero Ullas. All the Shubha means auspiciousness will appear and appear loving attachment, loving service attitude towards Lord. Sankirtan haite papa samsara nasan. Through Sankirtan, our all bad karma's consequence. Bad karma means sinful activities. Consequence is destroying. Bad karma's consequence, the papa samsara, and attachment, material attachment, will destroy. Then Chitta Shuddhi Sarva Bhakti Sadhana Dukam. Chitta means this, Mon, Buddhi, Ahankar. Shuddhi means pure. Through Nam Sankirtan. Then Sadhana Udkam, Sadhana will inspire. Real manner inspire. Not to just someone glorifying me, oh, you are a great devotee. Then, okay, that person's like that, but I'm chanting Hare Krishna. Then inspiration. Like in a pond, there is so many greeny stuff, we call pana. I don't know the English called. Moss. But moss is not like that. Shavala, pana, Bengal, that's khudi pana, tiny and green, light green. Anyhow, moss, whatever. In small, we have our own pond, big pond, where you learn swimming. You put on stone, put it in the middle of the pond, full of moss, green moss. It's going up, going far, then again they're going. The inspiration, recognition, or we can say praising someone. Whatever you feel inspiration, whatever you feel enthusiasm or inspiration, that is like this. With putting on a stone on the middle of the pond, then moss is passing, it goes far, and after some time, because it is water, the stone goes there, and water waves take them little far, then again bring them back. So like that, because our heart is not pure. But therefore we need as Vaishnava association to get some inspiration constantly. Then we can chant constantly, and constant chanting will removing all these dirty conditions. So always we have to put the stone on the pond. Rasama Vishaya Rasapurna Indri Grachyo. Rasama Vishaya means full of mellow. That context. Rasapurna Indriya Grachyo. Rasapurna Indriya means all the organ. Full of devotion, engaged to full of devotion. Devotion is full of rasa. Radha Krishna's services, which wholeheartedly chanting and serving Radha Krishna and respecting all devotees of Radha Krishna. Only that person able to realize the Rasamaya Vishaya, subject of full of mellow Krishna's man. This is called pure devotee. Indriyo Rasamaya Darshan. Indriyo Rasamaya Darshan. Parshanadi Dara. Rosik Shekhar. Rasa Prashavan. বিষয় বিগ্রহ নন্দনন্দনের প্রেম সেবা করিতে করে থাকে। রসপূর্ণ ইন্দ্রিয় means full of rasha, means mellows, indriyo, which organ full of mellow. Rasamoy darshan, they can see, their eyes see the how Krishna in temple. Sometimes you can see devotee says, today Krishna is laughing. Same Krishna, but you feel Krishna is laughing. Then you can see sometimes some devotee says, oh, today Krishna each looked like sweating, not happy. You know, different devotees, feeling of devotees, they are also realizing the deities also accordingly. Name, holy name, everything, everybody chanting. But someone feeling so much blissful, someone feeling there is no feeling at all. That is a machine I am chanting. Someone says, I don't like to leave my chanting. Someone says, I am leaving chanting because I am not feeling anything. Same chanting. Like Krishna, when he came in the Mathuras, where Kamsa sitting there, Kamsa saw his death appeared. Rangoshala, where they are playing Kamsa Rangoshala. Rangoshala means Kamsa bringing some wrestler, Chanur, all those. So, when Krishna and Balaram enter, Kamsa's eyes become, his death appeared. His eyes appeared death. But there is also Akrura was there, everybody was there, Nandamar is also there, everybody was there. They saw such a Naveen Madan, beautiful beautiful form coming, sweet form coming. So different feelings, different vision. So therefore, Indriyo Rasamoy Darshan, Parshnay Dara, Roshik Shekhar, Rasha Prashabran, Vishay Vigra Nandanandaner Prem Seva Kurite থাকে. So we have to make our Indriya organ become Rasamoy, full of Rasa, Nam, name constantly. We should chant with loving manner. Then Indriya become Rasamoy. Eyes can see Rasamoy Vigraha. Our Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, he never stopped to chant. He never stopped to chant. And if someone trying to say something, hey, why you are going to Babaji camp, or this material people chanting, or why you are going to listen in Bengal, this is called Pala Kirtan. There is some dramatic manner. They are chanting, means sweet tune. They are chanting some Krishna's pastime. Dramatic manner. Maybe you are not able to understand what I am trying to say. Like I can give an example. When I was small, in our village, my grandmother, in our village, there are 14-15 days, such type of song, singing in front of goddess Kali. There's a big Sankirtan hall, Kali Sankirtan hall. But they are doing Hari Sankirtan there. And that group charging for that. One night, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, nowadays, maybe 100,000 rupees. One night, 3 hours chanting, several groups coming. The one group I understand, I still remember, name is Gaur Hari Koyal. Gaur Hari Koyal. His melodious manner and with him one actually very nice Midanga player. Midanga like speaking. And he is telling that one guru came to disciple house. Guru usually eating only veg. And without notice he reached Guru's disciple home. That day disciple make meat. We call mangsho chol. Mangsho. Meat, liquid, so much liquid, potato, meat, it's in together. So disciple, Guru says, I'm hungry, please give me some food. The disciple says, today I don't know you are coming, so I cook some meat, mangsho chol. Chol means juice. Then he say, okay, no problem. Just to stain the meat and just to give me this. So when he is giving to his guru, one piece of meat is stuck over there. Then he started to song, Ashchaje, Ashchadao, Badhadiyo na, Ashchaje, Ashchadao. Very nice Sankirtan. Everybody happy because all they like meat. Then now I realize everything fake. Everything fake was fake. This is not like a Hari Sankirtan. It's like say Monoranjan, audience Monoranjan, means to satisfy all the audience. This is not Hari Sankirtan at all. Such type of pure devotee, they will not give initiation such type of disciples. Because pure devotee, they are thinking, I am not able to deliver him. What is the use to give him such initiation, which is fake? So therefore, we have to always think about whatever Prabhupada said, Rasamaya Vishaya, Rasapurna Indri Gajya, Rasapurna Indriyo, Rasamaya Darshan, Personally Dara, Roshik Shekhar, Rasaprashavan, Vishaya Vigraha. Rasaprashavan, everything mellow. Full of mellow, Akhila Rasamrita Murti. If you become really, really pure devotees, no doubt at all, then you can see deity like a Akhila Rasamrita Murti. Pratimanatame Sakshat Brajendra Nandan. You are not a deity, you are a real son of Nanda Maharaj. That junior Brahmin, he believed that. And therefore, that Gopal, Krishna's form, in order to be witness of their conversation between junior Brahmin and senior Brahmin, he walked all the way from Vrindavan to South India. Almost 2,000 kilometers he walked. Stone Murti. I can tell you, in our temple there is an incident happened. You may think that your temple, Mayapur temple, Gadadhar made with neem tree wood, neem wood. How he complained to your Gurudev about the pujari who pushed him with his elbow. How? But this thing happened 1995. This thing happened. It is a fact. It's not like a story. This I saw. So this is the Rasamoy. So my spiritual master was really Rashamaya. Why Rashamaya? Because he has no any material tendency. You cannot see in any books he is criticizing anyone. Even other criticizing him, he also glorifying them. You can see. And it was his tendency. He look everything favorable, positive, no negative. Therefore, you can see Lord appeared to him. Gadadhar appeared to him and complained to him. Daytime, while there is no one there in his room. Daytime. So you may say, oh, Sakshi Gopal, we don't know, this is maybe 2000 years ago, 1000 years ago, but 95 not so far, 25 years ago. This thing happened. Therefore, Prabhupada is whatever he said, Indriyo Rashamaya Darshan, Parsha, Nashadi Rasiko Shekhar. Rasiko Shekhar means topmost Rashik, means Rasik means mellowful. Topmost mellow. Rasha Prashavan, Vishaya Vigraha, Rasha Prashavan, full of Rasha, full of mellow. Vishaya Vigraha, object of our worship, which Krishna. Krishna, Nanda Nandan. Nanda Maharaj, son Krishna means we can render our Supremo Seva, loving service. We can render when our Indriyo, our organ will full of mellow. When our organ can be full of mellow? When we are completely free from all material attachment. No recognition, no material worship desire. Someone should worship me. Someone should wash my feet. Someone should bring my shoes. All those expectation is not the symptom of our pure devotional practice. This is not my explanation. Don't blame me that. This is explained by Srila Prabhupada in his Anubhashya. Just if we may divide it 10, what his explanation, I just read only one part. 9 parts still I have to read. But now time over. So try to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and free from all material attachment and think always positive instead of jumping for quarreling, complaining. Think about all the positive, rectify. If someone complains, rectify and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of our parampara. Definitely your all organ will be Rashamaya, full of mellow, loving mellow, to serve our loving embodiment of Lord Nanda Nandan, son of Nanda Maharaj, Sri Krishna. Hare Krishna. So I will read the Anubhashya commentary of Srila Prabhupada on these topics of Prema Vilas Vivarto. Tomorrow I'll continue. Just one portion, 1:10 I read. Still 9:10 I have to read. 9 but 10 I have to read. I hope Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta will reveal my heart, all the proper English word to describe you properly, and that will make me happy. Because I am dirty, Therefore, it may not appear. It may not appear properly in my heart. If not appear properly in my heart, then I cannot explain you properly. I need Prabhupada mercy. Bhakti Siddha Saraswati Thakur mercy. Kodae galo Rama. Hari galo nahi das. Hai? Banda kar daw.